How to recover the deleted chats on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have deleted your Instagram chats but would like to recover it, Instagram often keeps a copy of your account data. So you can download it and check for the messages. In order to do so, head over to your Instagram page, tap on the profile from the bottom right corner. Click on the menu section or icon from the top right corner and then go to Settings and Privacy. Or you can just tap on the option of Account Center. After tapping on Account Center, scroll down a bit and under Account Settings, tap on Your Information and Permissions. From here, you should see the option of Download Your Information or Export Your Information. Tapping on it, you'll have to enter the email and request the download. Instagram will now email you a file which is JSON or HTML format. Inside the file, check for the messages and then you can check for the deleted chats. So this is one way by which you can get your deleted chats on Instagram. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.